In this video, you are going to see how to circle something in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, I have circled the eye. To circle, let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick an oval shape and hold down the Shift key to make a straight circle. Let us circle this area. Click on over here. Go to Shape Fill, make it no fill. Go to Shape Outline, you can choose the outline color of your choice. Go to Shape Outline, go to Wide, you can increase or decrease the width like this. If you want to circle any word, go to Insert, Shape, pick an oval shape. Let us draw it without pressing the Shift key like this. Go to Shape Fill, make it no fill. Go to Shape Outline, change the white, and from here change the color, and you can adjust it like this. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.